How to use one video in different scenes in Pictory AI. You may have a video and want to use this video as different scenes or even as the whole video scenes in Pictory AI. This is easy and I will tell you how you can do it. After you create your account, click on this option. Script to video. Now paste your script here. In this way, you have to turn off auto visual selection. This means that Pictory AI in this situation shouldn't choose any footage for you. Now click on this option. As you can see here, you have subtitles, but in this stage, your video scenes are all solid and empty, and also you can choose a voiceover too. Now, you may want to use this video only in a few slides, or use this throughout the video. You should link these slides like this. Any slide that is linked to each other can display this video. If you want your entire video to be used from this video, then connect all these scenes together. If you want only a few specific scenes, connect them together. Now, click on the first slide and remember this diversion from this part because this time, we'll change for the first slide. Now it is time to upload your video from the visual section. I uploaded this video earlier. Drag and drop. You have to add this video to the first scene. Then you have to click on the video to add into the scenes. As you can see, this video has now been added to the slides that I linked. Now I have to adjust the duration of the first slide. The duration of other slides does not change. Now, in the next step, click on the first slide and turn off the loop option, and apply this to all slides. You see a scene here on all the scenes, but actually this is the beginning of this video. Now, if your video has background music or voiceover and you don't want to have it, you should turn it off from this section and apply it to all slides. But if you want there to be a video inside the video, don't do anything in this part. Pictory automatically selects background music for the videos it generates. You can delete it from this section or change it if you want. From this section, you can also choose a voiceover for the video, which I want to choose this one now to show you the result at the end. Now this video scenes use one video. It has voiceover, background music, and also subtitle. Let's watch this from preview option here before download it.
France is a country known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. Located in Western Europe, France is famous for landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Palace of Versailles. Its capital, Paris, is often called the City of Light and is a global center for art, fashion, and gastronomy. French culture is deeply...
If you see some parts have pause between voiceovers of sentences, you can reduce that scene duration. After all, you can use different visuals for other slides, or you can link it to this video, and then download the video. To download the video, you will need a premium account. To get a premium account with discount, you can add this coupon code to this box, and then apply it. I added this coupon code in the description. You can get 20% discount on all plans with this code. Copy and save it from the description for whenever you need.